Hey my beautiful friends, my name is Nidhi and I get makeup and cosmetic related videos, especially for brown skin girls, because when you go out in the market, you know the option for us brown girls are very less and we are left in despair. To find a solution, to give you some recommendations, I am always on hunt for best products which are flattering on our skin type. So if you're interested to see some more videos which are basically meant for brown skin girls, the links are in the description box. You can go ahead and watch after this video. So today's video is all about best makeup products in each category of makeup, which is actually workable, doable and flattering on our skin. When I say flattering, that means they are 100% meant for us. They don't strike on your skin, they don't look ashy on your skin, they look beautiful on your skin, they make you look more special. And if you're interested to know all those makeup products in each category which are actually meant for our skin type, then keep on watching. So further ado, let's get started.
The products today I'll show you will be all budget and brown skin friendly, and the first thing you need is a good moisturizer. This is Cetaphil. This is every skin friendly, be it oily skin, dry skin, skin with problem, skin with no problem. This is a very good moisturizer, highly recommended by me and doctors. Second thing, moving on, will be a good lip balm. If you're looking for a good lip balm on budget, this is my recommendation. This is from Wet n Wild. Hydrating and super nourishing. Then comes the time to prime your eyes. Generally I use this NYX cosmetic eye pot. This is my every time go-to pot. This I use with my fingers. Warmth of my fingers actually make it melt down, and if you see, my eyelids are little darker than my face. So this is one of the best products if you have a problem like me to color correct your eyelids, and this won't crease. Trust me, it is such an awesome formula on budget. If you want something that actually sets everything on place, this is my recommendation. This is NYX loose powder. This comes in I think 3 shades, and I'm using with a brush to set my eyelids, though I don't need it. This is for just my girlfriends who have little oily skin. This is a lightweight, beautiful loose powder, and after this, let me do my other eye and be back. Perfect. Now I would be using this primer before I start anything with my eyes. This is from Wet n Wild. This is super hydrating. My recommendation is to use it before you start makeup so that it completely absorbs in your skin. This is such a refreshing formula. Even if I'm not doing my makeup, sometimes I use it to generally hydrate my skin. So this is a oil primer kind of a primer, even good for all those girls who have little oily skin. After this, we'll move on to the eyebrows. For eyebrows, my recommendation is getting this NYX eyebrow pencil. They come in several shades, especially if you are somebody from Indian subcontinent or Middle East and have a medium tan brown skin color. Then you will find one of the best color match with your eyebrows in NYX cosmetic eye pencil. Just not the color match, this pencil comes with 2 ends. One is a pencil to fill in your eyebrows, another one is a spoolie brush. What more can you ask from an eyebrow product? And now after I'm done with my eyebrows, I'll be moving on with my eye look. The eye look I'll be creating will be a start of fall look, wherein I'll be using shade of brown, orangish brown with gold. And for this, I'll be using this Jaclyn Hill palette. This comes in array of colors. You can create a neutral look, you can create a bold, colorful look, or a smoky eye. Any eyeshadow look you're looking for, then this can be created with this super pigmented eyeshadow palette. I've used this brown eyeshadow on the outermost corners and my crease line. After this, if you are looking for a liquid eyeshadow, then you can get it from ELF. ELF has spectrum of eyeshadow so that you can pick one correct color for yourself. And after that, we always look for an eyeliner which is matte, which is black, which has a great brush, which can reach to the innermost corner and give you a perfect wing. This is my recommendation, girls. Get this NYX eyeliner with a beautiful brush, with the appropriate length of brush, so that you get a point on wing eyeliner every time. After you're done with your eyeliner, the next thing is to prepare your lashes. You've seen everybody recommending this L'Oreal mascara, so this is no fail mascara, highly recommended. Eyelashes, you get many options. I generally prefer Ardell with this eyelash glue from Dio. And now comes the time to highlight the innermost corner and the brow bone. My high recommendation is to get this Precision Formula highlighter. This is the butter formula and it is absolutely true to the name. This one is no fail. After that, I am using one more primer, Maybelline. If you're somebody who has little bit texture, pores or little sign of aging, this one is far better than many high-end primers. I'm using around my T-zone because I generally crease around there. And after that, if you are somebody who is watching my videos, you know which foundation will be recommended. Yes, it's Wet n Wild foundation. If you are hunt of a foundation which gives you a coverage, makes your skin look healthy, doesn't make you look like a cake, go ahead and get this one. This is super budget friendly. It comes with a spatula. If you're somebody who likes pump, then maybe it is not your take. If you are of any skin tone and you're looking for a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, then my recommendation for every skin color is to get from ELF. This one is my favorite, absolutely favorite. I am a hoarder for this beauty sponge. Now comes the biggest problem of the life, to get a correct, absolutely stunning kind of a concealer. Concealers in the market are too light, too yellow, neutral, peachish, or something when you find for yourself makes your under eyes or your area around the lips look ashy. So here comes a solution to get the perfect color for yourself from Milani. Milani Cosmetic has absolutely stunning collection of concealer which are creamy, which don't crease and are actually meant for our skin type. I will tell you to get one of these, and I'm just going to spread this concealer. Little goes a long way, so you can understand how creamy this is. I'm just going to spread it, let it sit. I'll not blend it, because if you want more coverage from less product, this is the tactic. So now you know the best concealer to find yourself, which is from Milani Cosmetic. Next comes the thing is your face products, a good blush, and of course a bronzer. So my recommendation for blush is the Stay Cream blush from Milani. I'm using it. Oh my god, this is such a buttery thing. It's like a whipping cream on your face, and I'm just going to apply on my face. After this, I would be working on my under eyes. I would be blending this out with the same beauty blender. I've done a couple of videos for blushes like Milani blushes, cream blushes, affordable luxury sector. Links are below. Now I'm using NYX Cosmetic loose powder to set my under eyes. A little goes a long way. This is the formula for this powder. Now I will show you that these affordable products will give you a flawless base. Yes, a flawless base for a brown skin girl. Let me bring the camera up and close. You can see this is a skin light kind of a base makeup. After this, I'm using this Physician formula butter bronzer. Absolutely stunner. Everybody recommends, so is my recommendation. The shade I'm using is deep. I'm using it at the usual points. This is a great shade. This would not make you look like that you have blemishes or you are sunburned, but a correct color that you look sun-kissed. After this, I'll be showing you one amazing kajal which is super black and would not smudge. This is from Maybelline. Stays on the waterline for 24 hours. Good for kajal kind of a usage or eyeliner. And after that, I've used my brush to just smoke out my lower eyeliner so that it looks a complete look. So now here comes the showstopper highlighter from Physician formula. As the name is given to this highlighter, a butter, it is butter. You don't need any tools, brushes. You can blend this with your finger and it gives you a natural kind of a glow and an appropriate glow. Get this one highlighter and enjoy everything about this. After this, getting a lip liner is really tough thing, which matches absolutely with your lip color if you're a brown girl. This one is highly recommended. This works with absolutely every lipsticks. If you are somebody who's on a hunt of lipstick, then I've done so many videos for brown skin girls on lipsticks. You can go ahead and enjoy it. There's a complete playlist for MAC, Maybelline, L'Oreal, NYX Cosmetic and many more to name. So you can go ahead and enjoy them. There comes the time to set your makeup. Setting sprays are not meant for any skin type. It's universal. Anybody can use the same settings. So this one is from Wet n Wild, super affordable, I think for $3. And here comes the end to the makeup video. I hope this was a good one. And here it comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was little informative. You get some ideas to pick which products are actually good for you. If you did enjoy my video, kindly give it a like and do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more contents just for you and me. So until I meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.